Hi guys, welcome to my channel, the perfect place for lash artists, lash bosses, and lash trainers. On today's video, I am going to share with you how you can start your lash career with a budget-friendly lash kit. So stay with me. And for those who don't know who I am, my name is Karen Martis, and I am the founder of Lash Blvd and creator of Lash Like a Pro online training course. So here's my starter kits that I am going to recommend that you get as you get started. There's no need for you to go and buy every single lash tool that is out there, every single lash tray size, diameter, curls, because that is really going to get extremely expensive for you. But I'm gonna give you some tools that you are absolutely going to need and you can absolutely get started doing an application, charging for your services, creating beautiful work on a budget-friendly kit. So super important, if you are doing classic eyelash extensions, that you get started with a classic eyelash extensions mixed tray, where you can have multiple sizes of the lashes that you are going to start applying extensions. From there, you will know and find out what lengths you are going to be using the most. You don't want to start with classic lashes that are too thin in diameter or too thick, because those can be or too light or too heavy for your clients. I recommend you start with a 0.15 classic eyelash extensions tray, and this will be great for you to give to your clients. 0.15s usually fit most lashes and they look gorgeous. Next, if you are doing volume eyelash extensions, I highly recommend you get started with 0.07. 0.07 lashes are super thin, nice and flexible, they're extra light, so you can give your clients a super natural set or something a little bit heavier by just adding multiple lashes. 0.07 is a great place to get started. Don't forget, anything from 0.03 all the way up to 0.10 can be considered volume. The higher you go, the thicker it is, but this is a good middle point to start. Don't forget to get your tray in a mixed tray so that you can start seeing what lengths you're gonna be using the most, and then from there you can start getting your single trays on those lashes. This is the best way to start getting more lashes into your kit, offering more variety to your clients, but also not having clients that you're going to keep in your desk or in your drawer and never use. So this is the best way to find out what you are going to be using the most. Another super important tool that you must have if you're applying eyelash extensions is your tweezers. And you want to start with your isolating tweezer, of course, because this is how you're going to isolate your lashes for application. Then you want to have a straight tweezer that is great for classic eyelash extensions applications. This tweezer is extra pointy, sharp, precise, great to do your classic application. And then you want to have a volume tweezer. This tweezer should be perfect to pick up your volume fans. So these 3 tweezers should be good for you to get started with your kit. Remember, there's no need to buy 10 different tweezers. Test them all. Start testing one at a time. But don't forget, isolating, application for classic, and a volume tweezer will be just perfect for you to start your kit. What makes a great lash artist is an awesome eyelash extension retention. And for that, you are going to need your adhesive. Your adhesive should be able to dry within 1 to 3 seconds, depending if you're an advanced or a beginner lash artist. I highly recommend that you stick to a glue that is about 2 to 3 second dry time. That way you can be faster at your application, but also have a little bit of room time to move your lash around if you need to. You just need one glue. Practice with it, learn how to use it before you start testing any glues that you might think are faster or better for your application. This is going to be the great place to start, and you will see and test what is best for you and your clients. Something important to have on your kit as well, just in case anything happens, is a gel remover. A gel remover will be great for you to have in case you need to remove some lashes that you might not be able to get off with just your tweezers, or if you have a client that arrives with horrible work from another lash salon. A gel remover can save your day and your client's lashes if you need to use it. So make sure you include this in your kit. A gel remover can last you up to a year. So don't worry that it's going to expire, just have it there as part of your kit. Don't forget about having gel pads and tape. This is what's going to protect your client's skin and eyes from your sharp tweezers. You must protect your clients every time you do an application. You are going to need gel pads and you are going to need a lint-free tape. Make sure you add these two things into your kit. Also, don't forget that these tools are disposable. One-time use and then you get rid of them. Something else that I recommend you have for the perfect lash retention is to have a lash primer. The primer is going to help prep your client's lashes so that your adhesive works the best. This is a great product to include in your kit to get started because remember, the better lash artist you are, the more clients you're going to attract. A mascara wand and a glue ring are essential for your application. These two disposable items are great for brushing your client's lashes, of course, before, during, and after application. And your glue ring is what holds your adhesive so that it stays nice and fresh throughout the entire application. One last thing you want to have in your kit is a Nanomester. A Nanomester is a great tool for your lashes to dry completely or cure so that your client has a better retention. This is what you will use last when you are done with your application. We always want to uplift all of our lash clients, so you will find the Lash Blvd new packaging will come inspirational. It's super friendly and feminine. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comment box if you have any questions about our products or how I can be of help. Don't forget, a lash kit can cost you anywhere from $200 all the way to $400, depending on how many items you want in it. You don't need to break the bank if you are just getting started. Try to get started within a budget. This way you can invest your money in some marketing, how to attract clients, your business card, or anything else you might need to run your business. If you have any questions about our products and trainings, don't forget to visit our website, lashblvd.com. Subscribe and comment. Let me know if you have any questions about this kit. Let me know how you get started as a lash artist, or if you have any questions on how to get started. I will be happy to help in any way that we can. I am here to empower you to be the best you can be.